In this video, we're going to have a quick look at some of the features of Microsoft's equation editor and a few shortcuts that might make using it a little slicker. So firstly, to insert an equation, we normally click Insert and Equation. There's actually a keyboard shortcut for this. If you simply type Alt and equals, the equation will pop straight into your document. And there are a few other shortcuts that are useful to know to make using the editor a bit quicker and a bit slicker. So one thing you would commonly use is the fraction facility. So let's say we wanted to enter a fraction, we would select the fraction and type in our numerator and our denominator. Again, that can be simplified using keyboard shortcuts. So if we simply type the fraction using the backslash, equation editor knows that we're entering a fraction, and when we click space, it automatically converts it. That can be a real time saver. Another time saver is when using superscripts. For example, if you were doing a power. So normally you'd have to click, select the format you're looking for, and again, there's a lot of mouse clicks involved there. And in the same way, we can just streamline that using keyboard strokes. So what we do is we use the symbol above the 6 key. And again, when we hit space, equation editor knows that what we are doing is entering a power, and it automatically converts it for us. Quite often you'll find yourself using the symbols up the top. And again, it can be a bit of a chore to find the right one. So for example, if I wanted to put a pi in here, I would have to locate that on my list of symbols and then click to put it in. But if you hover over a symbol, you see it's associated keyboard shortcut. So in this case, a / and then the letters pi, pi, will insert pi into my formula. So let's just look at how much slicker it is using those keyboard shortcuts than using the mouse to enter the equation. So Alt and equals pops the equation in for me. Slash for my fraction. I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut for pi, and I'm going to use the power shortcut. And you can see there, I've got 4/3 pi r cubed. I've not had to go to the mouse at all. There's one other little feature that some people don't know about, and it is the inc function. So if I insert an equation, you can see that the option pops up here for an inc equation. And if you've got an iPad or even on your smartboard, you could translate your handwriting into an equation, which can be a real time saver if you're working on things with lots of different syntax. So for example, here, I'm just going to write in the same equation, and you can see that it automatically gets converted. And I just click insert, pops that right in. So just a couple of little tips that if you use equation editor regularly, you'll know would save you a bit of time.